Hello and welcome to a second variation of the hamstring fascial freedom. Now what we're going to need for this one is ideally a bit of PVC piping. It's awesome, it's really hard, it's super cheap. The other thing too, it's not that high off the ground. If you do have a foam roller, use it, it's completely fine. Now what we're going to be aiming for in this one, we're going to start directly in the middle of the hamstring, but we're going to work our way out a little bit to the side on a bit more of a 45-degree angle. So the best way to set up with this one, on the floor, and we're going to start somewhere about mid, even a little bit higher than mid part of the hamstring. And again, just by sitting on that, you may notice something straight away. But all we're going to do is just gently roll out to the side a little bit more, and you can just shift your body weight onto that left leg as well. So you'll notice that as we get closer towards that 45-degree angle, it gets a little bit more intense. It'll feel quite dehydrated and leathery type. So this is the next little variation spot. Again, we can work all the way through that line, but you might find that you're going to be a lot more dehydrated further up, closer to the glute in that gluteal fold area. So fascial freedom is all about relaxing. It's also a little bit of that self-discovery. So take your time with this, set some timers, minimum 3 to 5 minutes, and see if you can get some hydration through there. Get to work on that one. Look forward to seeing you on the next video tutorial.